Welcome to WiseRep, your smart call center platform for seamless inbound and outbound calling. In this quick overview, let's explore the power of WiseRep. Right from the dashboard, you land on a clear and intuitive interface. Instantly, you see key insights: total minutes used, total calls made, calls converted, and your conversion rate. Conversions are tracked based on whether agents successfully achieve their call goals. Dive deeper with weekly performance stats to track calls made and conversions, plus a spotlight on your top performing agents and most successful campaigns. With WiseRep, performance isn't just measured, it's made clear. The first step is creating a prompt template, your agent's guide on how to talk and respond during calls. Simply click Prompt Templates, then select Create Prompt to get started. Want to save time? Use the Fetch from Website option. With a single click, WiseRep AI automatically scrapes your business website and generates a tailored prompt for your agents, ensuring they always speak your brand's language. Now let's dive into agent creation. The first step is selecting a voice for your agent. For this example, we'll choose English as the language, an Indian accent, male as the gender, and a middle-aged voice profile. You can preview multiple options, listening to how each one sounds, and then decide on the voice that best fits your use case. This flexibility ensures your agent not only speaks clearly, but also resonates with your customers.
Thank you for sharing the details. I appreciate your patience as I access your account.
The next step is selecting a prompt for your agent. From the list of prompt templates you've already created, simply choose the one that fits your scenario. Once assigned, the agent will automatically follow the guidelines within that prompt, ensuring every conversation stays aligned with your brand's standards and objectives. The final step is giving your agent an identity. Start by choosing a name, then select the agent type, whether inbound or outbound. Next, enrich your agent with knowledge by uploading documents directly to the agent's knowledge base. This can include company documentation, presentations, or specific guidelines. With this information at hand, your agent is fully equipped to handle calls confidently, accurately, and in line with your business standards. Now, let's make a call. Simply click Make a Call at the top right of your dashboard, select the agent you'd like to use, enter the phone number, and the call is automatically initiated. It's that quick and effortless. As the call is initiated, a live transcript begins generating in real time. Every word of the conversation is captured instantly as your agent speaks with the person on the other end. This feature not only gives you complete visibility into the call as it unfolds, but also ensures accuracy, compliance, and quality control. Managers can review transcripts for training purposes, identify opportunities for improvement, and ensure that every customer interaction meets your business standards. With real-time transcription, you don't just make calls. You gain actionable insights from every conversation. Once the call is complete, you'll instantly receive a summary of the conversation. This gives you a clear overview of key outcomes without needing to replay the call. You can also explore past interactions by browsing the call list, where summaries and full transcripts of previous calls are stored and easily accessible. Whether for performance tracking, compliance, or customer follow-ups, every detail is right at your fingertips. Now, let's experience WiseRep in action. Here are some sample live recordings that showcase how agents sound during real conversations.
Hello.
This is Clinic Dubai. My name is Olivia. How may I help you today?
Hi, Olivia. I have some questions, but they're about mail things, so I'd like to talk to a mail agent, please.
Sure, I can help you with that. Let me transfer you to an available agent who can assist you with your mail inquiries. Please hold for a moment.
This is Clinic Dubai. My name is Pradeep. How may I help you today? Our premium cards travel insurance covers trip cancellations, medical emergencies, and lost luggage, providing significant peace of mind during your travels.
No.
Is
Tell
there
me more
anything
about
else?
the medical emergency. Medical emergencies, what about them?
The travel insurance covers emergency medical expenses incurred while traveling internationally, up to a
Or you know
substantial
what?
amount.
Tell me more about the air lounges. No, thank you. Tell me about the air lounges.
Our premium card provides access to numerous airport lounges worldwide, offering a comfortable and convenient experience before your flights. This includes complimentary refreshments and comfortable seating. Is there anything else I can assist you with today?
Yes, I'm having an issue with my phone.
Nimekupata, can you please describe the issue you are experiencing with your phone? What kind of phone do you have and what seems to be the problem?
So I have an iPhone 12, but I think where I stay, some places I don't have a clear signal quality.
Okay, I understand. To help me troubleshoot this, could you tell me your phone number, please? Also, are you experiencing this poor signal in a specific location, or is it happening in many different areas?
أيوة اسمي خيري ورقم تليفوني 0540 وكنت عايز أقدم على خط جديد.
تمام يا أستاذ خيري. ثانية واحدة بس هشوف لك. حضرتك عايز خط أرضي ولا موبايل؟ وإيه نوع الباقة اللي حضرتك محتاجها؟
لا خط أرضي وفي تي في سيرفيسز وإنترنت.
تمام يا أستاذ خيري، هساعدك في طلبك ده. ممكن حضرتك تديني عنوانك بالكامل علشان نعمل طلب الخط الجديد.
This was just a glimpse of what WiseRep can do. We can integrate seamlessly into your enterprise environment, automating all your inbound and outbound call center processes. WiseRep can fully replace human agents or work alongside them to handle specific cases with precision and consistency.